got quail. We got baby quail. We hatched 3 successfully out of the 15 eggs that I had shipped in. Not a big success, but I ordered 30. 26 survived the journey. The other 4 were crushed under the weight of the 26. I have contacted the hatchery and hopefully they'll make good on that, but I don't know what the policy is. It may be that they aren't responsible for what happens after the box leaves the hatchery, and that's probably the case, but you can try. All of our seedlings are either massive or they're popping if they're new. The ones that are not new are much taller. But yeah, that's becoming a good success. And yesterday I discovered something about the kitchen garden out just outside the solarium door. And I'm going to show that to you. So here's the solarium door, and you come down these little stairs out here, and there's a garden area that Juliet had put in. We have uncovered over the past year. As you can see, there's a triangle there. There's another triangle over there. There's a square there, right there. There's another triangle over here and another triangle here. And then there's a stone path that kind of goes around here, goes up underneath that table, and then around here. And I don't know, it might actually even go all the way around. I haven't discovered that yet. But yesterday I discovered that this little square here is divided into 4 sections by bricks. So I'm gonna get those all uncovered today, if it doesn't continue to rain. Right now it's sprinkling, and I'm not happy about that because I want to work outside. I think we're probably gonna have it abate pretty soon. As you can see, there's a hawk soaring. Where'd he go? There's 2 of them actually. That the roosters are not happy about. Can you see him? I don't know if you can see him. Probably can. Well, anyway, they're up there and they're soaring around, and the rooster is telling his girls, get under cover, even though they are undercover. They're under the aviary. Those hawks can't get to them. It's been a long afternoon, but I got it mostly done. I'm not at all sure that the rock path goes all the way around. I think some of it is a gravel path, but I guess I'll find out as I unearth it. I mean, this is what I've ended up with so far. And we got the stone path all the way over there. I know that it's over there, but I've yet to unearth it over here. But I haven't really tried because this took quite a while to get done. It's nice soft earth in these little beds. Now I've got to work on the triangle right there behind the barbecue grill, and then the one right over there, and unearth the path that's between those 2 beds and see if maybe there's one that kind of goes around the back. I don't know. Guess I'll find out. And then I plan to kind of work in a circle going around to each. So yeah, we've got 26 baby quail left from our shipment today. Haven't heard back from the hatchery, but I'm not really too hopeful that they'll do anything about it. But we do still have the 3 that I hatched. Now, keep in mind, these 3 are only 1 week older than the new ones, but the difference in their size is significant. I'm going to show you. I don't know how well you can see them. And that's popcorn that's hopping like that. I need to give them a bigger brooder because I think that they're just getting bored in this one. Those are two of them. The third one is little Rosie, the Rosetta, who is still smaller than these two, but considerably bigger than the ones in the big brooder. And these little guys are just teeny, teeny, tiny. So that means that they cannot be combined together. I know that a lot of people will say, well, a week doesn't make that much difference. It does in their size for quail because they grow to maturity in 8 weeks. So 1 week is a considerable difference in quail. Plus, and more importantly, these little baby quail were shipped here and I hatched the other 3, which means that there's a quarantine issue. They could have any kind of communicable diseases that are inherent in poultry, for one thing, quail specifically, and you don't want to pass that to your perfectly healthy existing birds, and so you keep them quarantined for a week to 2 weeks just to make sure. 2 weeks is probably your better idea, but with quail, they grow so fast, I don't know if I'll be able to keep them separate for that long. We'll see. I do intend to combine them together, but at this point, they're staying separated. And I will get a bigger brooder in here for the 3 that I hatched because they're just not, they're not getting enough exercise now that they've gotten so big. I mean, you can see Thor is a pretty big boy. And while Popcorn gets plenty of exercise hopping up and down every time I reach into the brooder, I don't think that Thor's getting enough exercise. And he's getting pretty feathered out, so it won't be long before I'll be able to put him outside in the garage in a brooder. I'm going to be using swimming pools, children's swimming pools, for the bigger brooders. And we're going to be getting the quail hutch set up over the next week or 2. That's the plan. Quail 2.0.